Hello and welcome to another episode of Skirtified Engineering. I'm Sprutis, and if you're new to the channel then please consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with all my different projects. So as you can see, it's time for another super episode, which you already know because you clicked on it. But we do have a bit of work to do also on the S13 chassis that you've seen some fire coming from. Unfortunately, you missed the sparks I made yesterday on that car, but it's getting closer, and I need to help my friend out so that he don't sell the car in anger, because I think it can be something fun. And I will also try and get some work done on my Supra. I have bought the thread cutters. I will have to post. So I have bought the thread cuts that I need to get M10 by 1. So 10 millimeter diameter with 1 millimeter per thread. And this is actually a running vehicle. You can drive with it. It seems like the injector settings are a bit better now, but there's still something weird going on with the acceleration enrichment, and currently we are trying to get the charge indicator bulb working. So up in the corner we have the connector to use on the BMW alternator, and yeah, we messed around with some of the wires here. We found a spare of starter wires, so that was interesting. But hopefully Tim can remove the dash so that we can see if there is actually a light bulb in there. So I bought the thread cutters that I needed in order to make the pneumatic connectors fit on the wastegate, or so I thought. The package was M10 by 1. The receipt says M10 by 1, but the thread cutter itself said M11 by 1. Which is a product that the store doesn't even sell. So I thought about keeping it for fun, but then again, it will only be lying on the shelf somewhere, so it won't be fun or anything. So I replaced it and got the actual M10 by 1. I also got a fluid pump, a manual one, so that I can drain the reservoir for the power steering. So I think we're going to start with that while my friend is getting fuel for the S13 chassis. So the power steering reservoir is removed, and as you can guess, the focus of today lied elsewhere. So we finally got the S13 with the M52 engine running quite nice. The problem was the fuel pressure regulator was connected opposite, so in where out should be, etc. And also the fuel lines were mixed up, done by a previous owner, and it just goes to show that you can't take anything for granted. You really need to check and double check and even triple check. But now it runs, so we can start on the fine-tuning areas, and hopefully it will be ready for the winter, so maybe some ice drifting or something like that. Much fun. But this will be it for this episode, so thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.